Welcome to my channel. This is Alicia's Creative Paradise. I'm Alicia. It's been a little bit since I've been on. Last time I was on, I brought out a new digital kit that I made, and I made a journal to go with it to show the digitals, and here it is. I just wanted to show it to you today and tell you all about it. So it is got a lot of vintage things in it. It's got sari silk, some muslin that I printed on, some little rosettes, and it's got a tassel here, as you can see, with some baubles and beads, some chain, keys, more sari silk of different colors, ribbons, a beautiful bead. Here's the spine area. Here's the back. Here's this side. And let me just open it up. It's been a while since I've been on because I got a different job and had to do some training and been really busy working my job and doing this too. So hopefully I'll be able to do a little bit more videos now that I'm out of that training. Right, here's some inside pockets with some trim. I'll show you this a little later, how you can use that. And here's how it lays out. I've seen a lot of people using the envelopes in their pages and stuff, so I decided to use some junk mail and make some pockets. So here's a little tag. A lot of things are backed with book pages and I've sewed around them. Here's part of the digital. Here's a pocket. And lots of coffee dyed paper. Here's another pocket with some tag there. Here's part of the digital. I'm just trying to make sure I'm in the film, in the frame here. These I think I had showed you before. I sewed around them, but first I put a book page and some deli paper. Here's a belly band with part of that digital kit. Here's some ephemera. And this is part of the recipe book that I've just folded up and put a couple of tags in. Use the digital as a background. Thought that was pretty. And an envelope from a book that I've been saving. There's a tag, a little girl. It's see-through, as you can see. Been hanging on to that. It's a belly band with looks like a seam binding ribbon that my aunt gave me, and it looks vintage for sure. Here's a tag. Pocket. All of these are the digital except for a few pieces. Like this one is not. That's one I made. It's not in the kit. So you'll see different things in here that are not in the kit. So I'll try to point those out so you know if it's different. That deli paper. It's part of the kit. I love how this coffee dyed paper came out. It's on resume paper and it always turns out real pretty. There's another tag. I just love that color in the background. Book page. Here's a collage and a little tuck here with this vintage book page that came out of I think it's Montgomery Ward or Sears Roebuck. I have both of those, so I just tucked that in there. I thought it was kind of cute. Here's another envelope. Flip out. Let me fold this under. There's the flip out. And this is not in the kit. And this is not in the kit. Here's that envelope piece. But I thought this was real pretty. I created this page and thought, wow, I'll just fold that up. You can write on the inside. And this is how it looks. Thought that was so pretty. And then here's part of that Vienna cookbook page that I just made into a flip out. 2 tags from the kit. Here's some ephemera from the kit. Sweet peas. And then here's the other part. It says menus. Here's a few more things. This is in the kit, and I've just sewn around it and put some lace. This is not, I made that after. This might be, but I will later on. I'm considering going back and doing a little add-on with some more ephemera to go with this, because I do like having a lot of ephemera. Here's this one. Pocket. Here's the other page. This is not in the kit. It's just something I made. This is, it's a different kind of tuck. Trying to do things a little different. It's kind of easy to get stuck on the same thing all the time. And this is just a book page. And you just open it up. And you can write in there. There's that. Put that over here to the side for now. And here's part of the digital, and I just got this tuck in here. You can also tuck something under here. There's that. Here's a flip up with an envelope. I'm trying to use the envelopes. I see everybody doing that. I thought, oh, that's pretty nice. I want to try that too. So here's this. There's that envelope. You can write under here. Here's the other part, another digital page. Here's the center. I just wanted to put a little something in the middle. These little glass beads, a little bit of ribbon. There's another one of the pages. And this was out of that book that came with this envelope, and I showed that in a previous video where I was doing some collage tags, but the pages in that book were so pretty, and I thought, wow, this is gonna go with this, what I'm doing here. And I just sewed around it here and just made this into a pocket, and there's the tag, part of the kit paper. This is not in the kit. It's a little extra. This is, it could be Valentine's too. There's this book page. And here's another one of the envelopes. There's 2 pockets here. This I put in there. This is not in the kit. This is just extra. And then this envelope had a really big address area, so I thought that was really, really nice. And this is in the kit. A train ticket with a menu. And it just slips in here, and I just collaged around it to cover up the envelope part. And here's this one. There's some vintage trim. Here's another one. Here's another envelope that's a flip over. It's got a pocket. A lady's shoe. There's that. Life in Paris. And I wanted to use this beautiful little trim. Here's another pocket. A tag. Some Harlequin vellum. Here's another one. So there's 1, 2, 3 pockets. Coffee dyed paper. And here is a double tuck on the top and bottom. Couple of pieces of ephemera here. There's another envelope with some vintage gold tissue paper, some little pearl trim. Flips over like this with 2 tags. Just some cream colored cardstock, and put these little vintage eyelets in there. Here's another pocket. More ephemera. A soda run, this too. That goes in there. More ephemera, pocket, dictionary page. There's another, the other side. Another tag. That's not in the kit. This one is, this one's not. And here's this one. A piece of ephemera. And a belly band. There's the other side of that, the pretty pink. Here's a tag. More ephemera. Pocket. So as you can see, I did shrink the pages down, and in the kit you do get a page of some of these that are shrunk down that you can use for pockets and things. And here's the last page. The pretty coffee dyed paper. So if you wanted to use these pockets, you can tuck it in the bottom, secure it in the top too. So kind of wanted to do it like that where things don't fall out. And I thought it turned out pretty nice. And if you like this journal, it will be in my Etsy store, Alicia's Paper Shop. I have everything listed below. And I do have more videos coming out. I have more journals that I've made. I have been busy, so I will bring those out to you as soon as I can. I'll get this one uploaded. If you like the digital, that's in my Etsy store, Alicia's Paper Shop. And if you like this video, then you can like it, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. And I'm new at making digitals, so I hope that you give it a try, and I'm getting better and better at it. It's something I've always wanted to do, and I'm actually doing it, and I'm really happy about it. I'm thrilled, actually. So I hope you like this journal that goes with that kit, and check it out and let me know what you think. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.